Alright, J-pipe off. Right? Yeah, I mean, this is... for you guys at home, there's so much more going on right now.
Inspect the turbo while we're here. Looks good.
Yeah, wait, let me show the inside turbo real quick. Cool, that's what it looks like, guys.
That's your internal wastegate right there.
Right, yeah. And then we got the fans going on. Sweet.
Yep.
We're gonna do a wastegate video because we believe that if we replace this guy, we're not gonna have any more boost issues in this, and then it's gonna make the rest of this season a lot more fun.
Yep.
Cool. What does a wastegate do anyway?
It is connected to the vacuum lines, and there's a spring inside of it that is rated to a certain amount of pressure. For the Mazdaspeed Protege, they came at 6 or 7 psi.
Okay.
So basically, once the vacuum, the boost builds up to 6 or 7 psi, that spring will finally compress, causing, you can see this wastegate flap will open.
Yeah.
Releasing the boost pressure, so that way you don't overboost past 7 psi.
We'll stick with the same spring for now, I guess. The same PSI.
Yeah, I got 7 psi spring on the new one.
Okay. And then maybe we'll adjust that later.
Yep. Yep.
Looks like
they have a little tiny. This, I guess this was the factory one. I don't know.
Can I even hold on? That is so. This little like
it's
seat clamp.
Seat clip.
Yeah.
Very tiny.
Super duper small. Wow. Okay. So you don't want to break that, I imagine.
Yeah. Well, this one's like super loose because I think I over bent it when we did this the first time.
Okay. Well, hopefully it doesn't just break this time. But you have a full new one. Does it come with that little clip there?
I'm not sure.
Okay,
I need to look at the package. You can get them. Harbor Freight sells like a whole kit. Although I hear the one that you can use is a little too big, so you just got to pinch it a little bit.
Okay.
Or you can go to your department store. I saw them at Lowe's the other day when I was there, so they're easy to find.
Okay. Let's see what we got in the new package with the new wastegate. Turbosmart. Cool. Alright.
Yep.
Seems legit.
I got this from, I don't even know what website. You can find them online.
Online. Google it. Turbosmart. Okay.
Nice and pretty.
Yo! That does look super clean. That is going to clean up the appearance for sure.
Yeah. Hopefully it uses the same mounting points. I believe it does, but...
Yeah. Does it have that little, let's see what else we got in here.
That is here, and it does not look like it does.
Okay.
So.
That's just a good thing to know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Comes with new nuts for here.
Good.
So, yeah, I'll have to go get one of those because I'm not going to reuse this one. It's too beat up.
So then removal of it.
Yep, sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're a pain. I'm going to try getting just the pick tool in there.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do that either.
Yeah, they shoot. They shoot. So it's over there somewhere.
Yeah, good thing I'm replacing it because I just lost it.
Yeah.
Alright, what size do those look like? 10s or 11s? Can you hand me my wrenches? Christian said no car uses 11s. But this car has 2 11s.
Yeah, I'm not sure anyone stating, you know, full blanket statements like that is ever correct, to be honest.
Yeah. Voila. This up off of it. Might have to flex it back. There we go.
Alright.
Voila.
Yeah. Cool. Old wastegate.
Yep.
Sweet.
I don't even think I'll be able to use this little heat shield for the new one. I don't think I want to, because it's pretty.
Yeah, no, screw that. Yeah. Oh yeah, that heat shield's too small. Yeah. All right. Oh, so it's fully adjustable.
It's adjustable.
Wow. Okay.
So I guess maybe it's a more of a universal application than strictly for the Mazda, but
sure. That's cool, man.
Yep.
That looks nice, though.
Cool. Yep.
Yep.
So
it slides right through that little bracket.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
I'm gonna use the new nuts and bolts they gave me.
That's a good call.
Cause I bet you they're 10s and not 11s. Yep.
Yep.
I'll use the 10s instead.
10s are way better.
Lock nut.
All right.
Cool.
All right. So now we just need that one little clip.
Yep. Make sure that's shut all the way. I don't want to be leaking boost.
Yeah, that's a good call.
Cool. That's definitely shut.
All right.
Tighten that nut down. Really?
11?
Yeah. Give you 10s here, but make this one an 11.
Yeah, well.
Oh man.
10s and 11s.
Yep. Cool.
Alright.
So now I just need to go find a new C-clip.
Alright. So that is your wastegate. And if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe to the show with all your friends. We got so much more coming up, especially with this car. With the other cars, we got a whole bunch to install, and we're gonna be at H2OI, so you better be too. Yeah. Let's put that C-clamp on and good work, buddy. Yep. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Cool.
So I tested it and I like this one better. It had this one on there before, but like I said, this thing's been messed with, so.
Yeah.
But I like this guy.
Yeah, I think that one will look clean on there.
Yeah. Well, you can't see it, but.
Well, I can see that.
Only once it's on the car, you won't be able to see it.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it when you
Boom.
pop it on.
It's on.
Cool, man. All right. And that is a job well done. We will have another video coming up with the rest of putting all this back together.
Wastegate done.
Cool, man. High five. Woo! Good work.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time. It hit the welder. I don't know where it went after that, but I heard it go ting.
Yeah.
I just realized if we take it off now, what are we gonna do for the video?
Cool.
Put it back on.
Yeah.
Drop it.
Good call. Thank you. Illumination. That lit everything up. We're good.